Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon nasa labas tayo ng room ko if you guys cannot tell. And it's because I'm about to film a room tour for you guys. And I'm super excited but quite nervous kasi I just want to remind everyone na hindi tayo nang judge dito sa channel ko. I do not promote judgment here in my channel. And do not start now because pag nakita niyo yung room ko, baka i-judge niyo ako. So just don't judge me. I just want to say na pinag-isipan ko talaga tong video na to and wala talagang other strategic way to film this video but just to film it like spontaneously. So that's what I'm gonna do for you guys. So if this is all over the place, I'm sorry. I tried. This is my best. And without further ado, here's my room tour. Remember people, we do not judge here, so don't start now. Okay. Alexa, turn on the lights. Okay, so when you first open my door, ito yung makikita nyong view ng room ko and it looks really nice. I'm so proud of myself. Pero, looks can be deceiving kasi sobrang disorganized talaga niyan, makikita nyo. But let's start over here first. So, ito yung mag-welcome sa inyo pagbukas nyo ng door ko. May shoe rack. And then over here, I have a stack of old clothes and old bags na ipamimigay. And then I just have a mini trash can over there. And then here, we have a random Metro bag because I shopped kanina for my comfort food because I'm on my period and I'm not even gonna apologize for picking out. But then I have a vanity area over here. Dapat naka-fold siya para I have more space here. Pero kasi hindi ko siya pinapa-fold kasi I have a lot of makeup here that I reach for sometimes. And tinatamad na akong ibuklat pa rin pa to kasi sobrang heavy niya. So I just prefer to keep it open for easy access. And then I have a full body mirror over here. Dito ako tumatayo pag kailangan ko ng view ng OOTD ko. And then over here I have the door to my restroom. And then here I have my little electronics or like TV and random stuff area. Random stuff because you will see. So ito dito ko kinikip yung mga school supplies na medyo, see, sobrang yuck. See, this, I got this when I was like grade 4, grade 5, and tinan mo naman nakalagay my full name plus Mers Bieber. Oh, diba? Alam niyo na kung sino talaga yung Mrs. Bieber. Okay, then here, I have a picture frame full of mine and Poe's photos nung first year namin together. So, this is our first ever Polaroid picture together. This one we took nung fourth year high school namin na graduation. And then, these two photos we took nung first year din namin together. And then, I have just like a random iPad, my pouch, COLLABS drawing stuff, COLLABS book, and then just a notebook and a random pouch again. Tapos ito, kakagawa ko lang to 2 days ago. Sobrang relaxing niyang gawin. You guys can buy this in Common Room ATC. And then, I just have a random keyboard that is not plugged anywhere. And then, I have my TV. And then, over here, I have a random what's this drawer again that has an HDMI cable and a time zone card. Great. So over here I have just some random pens, pencils, a notepad, and then this is my old Charles & Keith na wallet that I keep over there. And then I have a Monopoly board game, and then this is also another board. Ow! 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 I believe I was talking about Mad Gab before this rude tripod interrupted me. But yeah, if you guys want a good laugh with your friends or kung gusto nyong pagtawanan yung mga kaibigan nyo, make them play this. It's so fun. But anyways, let's go through this drawer over here. So this one, laman nito, super random school supplies rin. Kasi minsan talaga, you'll never know kung ano yung papadala sa inyo ng teacher nyo. So I just have a lot of school supplies. But then over here, I have another school supply thing. Actually, I was supposed to use this for my debut, pero never ko siya nagamit. It's just like a liquid chalk paint thing. And then over here, I have my treasure box, which I will keep forever. Beside this, I have old like crowns from when I won like a pageant in school before. And then this is a sash that I got. It says best dressed. No, grad ball namin. And this is the sash nung I won Miss Ruby And I have a lot of other like crowns there for pictures lang and stuff. And then I have like random photos here. This is my class picture from senior high school, and then this is a random what's this? Random photo booth picture of me in one of my cousin's birthdays. And then over here on top, I have a mug, a scented candle, a non-scented candle from IKEA, and then I have a picture frame here which has a really cute story behind it that involves me and Poe. So if you guys want to know, comment down below. And then on top, which is out of focus, this is so hard. Filming this video is harder than I thought. Okay, over here I have like a random Minions mug, and then my concert ticket saving thing, mason jar na never ko naman nagamit. And then I have a bunch of dictionaries there and other old school books. Standing on top of my bed just to be able to show this part, you guys. So I have a humidifier here, and then another board game. This is the Game of Life, which is super fun to play. And then over here I have a bunch of my books. So let's go to the weird picture frames first. So this one was a picture from my first Holy Communion, and then this one is my graduation picture from 4th year high school, and then this one is my most recent graduation photo from when I graduated senior high school. And then behind that is just like a memorabilia thing that my friends wrote on during my debut. And then I have like a bunch of just like random books. And then I have a random card game there that is super fun to play also. And yun lang, I just have a lot of like other books stacked over there, which we will not go through kasi sobrang haba na ng video na to begin with. And over here in this area is just like my little altar that my mom arranged for me. And then this is a Polaroid photo. Dapat lalagyan na ng Polaroid photo. Okay, and then over there is, what's this? This is the plaque that I won when I won Mr. B when I was in grade school. And then over there was my graduation photo nung prep. And then that's a photo that my mom took of me when I was like really little. And it's really embarrassing to show it to you guys, but yeah. Okay, we're back in this little area because, you know, if you guys noticed, my like bedroom thingy is elevated. So under nyan are some drawers. So ito, ang laman nito, swimsuits, ito socks, and then these two things, sobrang random nung laman. I'm not even gonna show it to you guys. And then over here, I have towels, and then I have some glasses and sunnies that are here. So like, and this is where I keep old wallets as well. And then over here, I have random school supplies again. And over there, also school supplies. Now on to my personal favorite part of my room, my bed, my oh so precious bed. Okay, so this is where obviously I relax and do my sleeping. This is Owlette. I named her Owlette. I bought her from Costco in the States. And then this is my ice bear that Poe got for me from Miniso. And then I'm a really pillowy person. I'm a really pillowy person. What I meant was like, I'm the type of person who likes to sleep with a lot of pillows. Pillowy is not a word, so don't start using it, you guys, unless somebody wants to call Merriam-Webster, because I definitely just invented a word. Pillowy. If you guys can't tell, I have 4 pillows, and I have one really long pillow. And then over here, sa medyo side ng bed ko, I have this, I don't even know what you call this, like chicken wire thing. Okay, so now you see here in my channel, I don't just invent words, I also invent things. That thing is not called chicken wire. I honestly have no idea what you call it. Chicken wire was the first word that went inside my head, so I used it, but I don't think it's chicken wire. I'm sorry. That I got from Divisoria, and I just have a lot of photos clipped there. And pag hindi ako makatulog at night, which is most nights of my life, I look at this wall sometimes and I really reminisce. And then over here, this was supposed to be a cute little thing, pero hindi siya kinaya ng tape. So, as you guys can see, nag-give up na siya. Pero, meron niyang Polaroid pictures na naka-clip. So, that's Poe, and that is Caleb. Okay, so from there, dito naman tayo sa side table ko. So, over here in my side table, I have this mini chair. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya nakuha. Pero, nag-give up na siya sa akin. If hindi nyo makita, may tape yan sa ilalim. Pinipilit ko pa rin siyang mag-stand. Pinupush ko siya. Kasi sobrang cute niya. Okay, then I have ito yung stand ko ng aircon remote ko. And then here I have a mini trash can na hindi ko ginagamit pero pang design lang siya kasi cute din siya. I love miniature things. And then over here I have my Jo Malone perfume. I barely use this kasi medyo strong yung scent for me. Pero I like using it din naman sometimes. And then I have my old iPhone box. And then I have this lamp that I got from IKEA in Singapore. And then, over here, I have my headphones, my laptop, yung adapter ng laptop ko, yung phone ko, and then my glasses. A lot of you guys were asking kung saan ko nakuha yung glasses ko. This is from Sunny's Specs, and ito yung Akira in white gold. Yun yung name nung specs. And then, this one, I have my charger for my Apple Watch, and then I have a power bank, some random photos, and another random photo of mine and Poe's Dessert Museum experience. And then I have over here some wire thingies, as in lahat ng maisip niyong wire meron ako. And then ano pa ba? My hard drive and another, like, a lot of wires. And then over here naman I have another headphones, and then I have the box of my headphones na ito. Tapos, some random things din. Hindi ko na alam. Sino bahala? Hindi ko na talaga alam. And then this one, this is a lifesaver. Buti na lang talaga binili ko to. This was from Amazon. I bought it originally for my Alexa, pero hindi ko siya nagamit for Alexa. Pero, tinan nyo naman, ang dami niyang socket. Tapos, ano pa siya, yung parang tatluhan. Tapos, it has pa 1, 2, 3, 4 na USB adapter. So, pag nakalimutan nyo yung mismong socket ng adapter nyo for your phone, you can still use it kasi meron siyang pang USB. It's so cool. I love it. Okay. And then, over here naman, I have another lamp na hindi ko ginagamit. This is my Alexa Dot. And, oh, sorry Alexa, I woke you up again. And then, ito, puno lang siya ng Band-Aids. And, meron ako ditong betadine kasi may sugat si Caleb kanina, tapos I had to clean it. And then, this is a photo booth picture of me and Cave. It's so, so cute. I love it. And, oh my gosh. I have a random bread here that I probably have to throw away. So, bye. And then, I have a cute Polaroid picture of me and Poe. Look, oh. Tignan nyo. It's so cute. I remember I got this from Urban Outfitters 2 years ago. It was kind of pricey, but worth it. And then, at the back of this, oh, see, it was $6. But at the back of this, I kept the dried petals from the first bouquet Poe bought me. And I'm a really sentimental person, if you guys didn't know. But yeah, I have some random earphones. I have an oil control film. I have a pack of tissues. And I have food again, obviously. Lengua de gato. And then I have this Wonderland thing that I got last Wonderland. And then I have a clock here. This is not even mine. See, Caleb stole this from my sister. It spells her name. See, it's not even mine. My sister's name is Johnny, if you guys didn't know, my other sister. Caleb stole it from her, so yeah, sorry ate. And then over here, I have like some, ano ba to? Medicine. And then ito, lifesaver to pag hindi kayo makahinga sa gabi, tapos may colds kayo. Guys, Vistarub or anong tawag doon? Vicks. Sobra. Grabe. And then I have like a random mirror. This is what I use every day if I do my makeup. Ito yung ginagamit ko. And then here I have random makeup stuff that I am not gonna go through because sobrang nakakapagod yan pag inisa-isa ko pa. But ito talaga, my favorite perfume in the world, Eclat. Oh, I love this so much. Sa baba nito, actually, ito na lang. This one, I'm gonna show it to you guys. I have, napakita ko na to sa previous video ko, pero ito puro cases lang siya. These are my old phone cases. I'm a phone case hoarder, pero I'm so sad kasi sobrang konti ng cases for iPhone X. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. And then over here, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kumain kami sa Sunny's nung cousin ko nung isang araw. As in last week. Ito yung tira namin. Bakit hindi ko siya nilagay sa ref? Hello, Joella. Ew, okay. Tapos, just like some laptop stuff. And then over here, I know it says jacket, scarves, and gloves. But, eto, nakita niyo naman yung Wonka bar na yan. So, if you open it, it has all of my food that I go through. Here I have some stuff for a secret I cannot reveal to you guys yet kasi isa-surprise ko kayo sa isang video ko. And then here I just have like, oh, this is a placard po. Not a placard. Anong tawag dito? Illustration board that po made for me. It's so cute. It's so simple, no? But it's so cute. It says, I love you with my whole heart. What's that? Be my graduation ball date tomorrow night. See, and then he says, if you say no, I will cry and play at home and play Fortnite. And I'll what? If you say no, I will cry and go home and I'll play Fortnite. Sad face. So cute, no? And then this is oh, this is COLLABS. Bakit nandito? Okay, and then over here, this is my abused chair. Kasi ang dami niyang stocks ng jackets dyan. At dito ako kumuha ng jacket kasi nakakalimutan ko if I don't pull out my jacket. And then these two are my everyday bags. This one I just used kanina. And then this one I've been using for the whole week. So, nandito lang siya para easy access. And then on top of this, these are my 2 cabinets for my bags. So, I'm just gonna open it for you guys. So, yan. Laman niya bags. Yup. And then, here, last na. This is my closet. So, etong part na to, jackets. And then, pants, tapos shorts. Pambahay shorts and skirts. Tapos, let's close this. Dito tayo naman. On this side naman, we have dresses, tops na hindi pwedeng i-fold. Tapos, tops. May tops pa dun sa likod. And then, more tops, leggings, sweaters and polos, and dresses and tops pa. So, yup, that's my closet. Hey, Ice Bear, guess what? We reached the end of this video! Oh my gula, you guys. You guys cannot even believe how happy I am to finally be filming this outro. Kanina, nung record ko nung intro, 9:09 p.m. Ngayon, hindi ko alam kung coincidence or what, pero it's 10:10 p.m. It took me an hour to film this video and sobrang hirap na hirap ako and sobrang nahilo ako. Pero if it's for you guys, it's worth it. And if you stayed until the end of this video, thank you so much. Don't forget to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we are growing. My YouTube family is growing. I'm so happy because I remember hitting 500 subscribers and now we're at 4,000 subscribers. I can't even believe it. I'm so happy. You guys make me so happy because I love filming videos, I love creating videos, and I love making people happy. So, anyways, I have just a little announcement. I know I've been announcing and hinting this in some of my videos, pero I have a lot of college vlogs and a lot of college-related videos coming up, or just like back-to-school related videos coming up. I'm about the back-to-school shop, which I'm so excited for because I'm gonna film it for you guys, obviously, and I have like a lot of surprise college stuff coming up. So, if you guys wanna stick along for that, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all of my social media accounts just to be updated in case I forget to film something. You guys will know because I always upload in my IG stories and I always tweet. So let me know what you guys think. Comment down below all your other what? Video suggestions, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah!